All right, so from Google, from your Google site, Google Classroom, go up here in the upper right-hand corner, click on these 9 dots. You may have to scroll around to find this app. Might even have to look for more. But I have mine right here. It's called Google Sites. I'm going to click on that. Google Sites is part of our Google Suite because the school pays for this service, and this service includes website making capability. So we're going to choose this template here just for this example today, Dog Walker. And I want you guys to do several edits on this site today, okay? One of the first ones I want you to do is to change the name of the website. So I'm gonna do this for my farm today. So you guys choose your business, Taraku Farm, and then change the subtitle. This is a brief description of what you're doing. So I might say something like healthy lamb. Okay. Once you change your title here, go up here in the upper left-hand corner, and this is going to be the address that Google uses. You'll see how that works in a minute. It should be just like your company name. Now, if you leave a space, it's going to put a hyphen in there. So if you want a hyphen, that's fine. If you don't want a hyphen, then just write it as one word like I did there. Okay, hyphens are totally up to you. So once you have this name changed and that, if you scroll down, it asks for a little bit about your company. And this is a school-hosted site, so we're going ahead and put in information that your customers will need. Okay, so you guys will be able to use this as an actual website. So write a brief blurb about yourself, not too long, maybe a couple sentences. Taraku Farm is a holistic regenerative family farm located in Whatcom County. We supply our local customers with healthy lamb raised on chemical-free pasture and locally raised forage in the winter. Now brief down here. Let's see. Now we don't actually have hours because people contact us directly. So contact anytime by email or phone. I'll make this my location. Just going to put my address in there, 5640 Lawrence Road. If you guys don't want to use your address, that's fine. You're welcome to use the school address just so you have a physical location. Everson, Washington, 98247. That's my zip code. My phone is, just going to put it in here, 206-602-7260. Although in one way, we don't want to put our phone on the internet so that anybody can phone us. On the other hand, if you're going to use this for business, it's going to be super important that your customers are able to phone you or contact you. So you'll probably need a phone number on there. Email, you can use your school email if you want. I'm going to use my, actually we have a farm email, tarakufarm@gmail.com. So you might be able to get your business name at gmail.com. It's a free email address, right? Follow me. Okay, I have and I have a Instagram account. Now you can add more stuff down here, but that's good for now. Once you have your basic front page done, we're going to need to add a couple pages. So pop over here, click on Pages. This is Home. This is the one that I have there. Click on this plus to add pages. And several pages that we should add. Home should introduce us or introduce people to us. You'll want to have something like, let's see, something like contact. I guess we had that at the bottom. It would be good to have something like prices. So we'll make a prices page. And it would be good to have something like services. Or services actually might be under prices. You could have something here like feedback or customer comments from customers. Make sure that's authentic, okay, because that's important in business. Now on my pricing page, actually, let's go back to my home page. On my home page here, click on home. Since I'm a farm, I don't want to have a picture of dogs here. And notice this same picture shows up here on the pricing page, and it shows up here on the feedback page too, okay? So you'll want to edit those pictures. You can also edit the text. Edit the text. You can change the image. You can change the type of header. So it'll be big or small, or maybe title only. Okay, that'll be up to you. And then when you're finished, all this editing, you'll want to publish it. Click Publish. And it's going to ask you what you want your website to be. Now notice it's not going to be a top-level domain, a TLD like they call them. People won't be able to type in Taraku Farm and actually find this. They're going to need the rest of this address down here. So whatever I type is going to come after this slash. So it's going to be https sites google.com explorationacademy.org. And lastly, I'm going to call this Taraku Farm. I already was experimenting, and that one was allegedly taken. So maybe I'll just do Taraku-.farm for this one. Okay, publish it. Now, once it's published, I'm going to go over here and view published site. This is what my website looks like, and this is the address. This is the address here that I want you to put into today's assignment. So go back and under website build, I want you to submit it as a link to this particular website. Thanks.